Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, and your stomach is noticeably flatter. You feel lighter, your energy is up, and even your skin looks clearer. Sounds like magic, right? Well, for the last 3 days, I've been drinking a very simple homemade detox recipe, and the results were honestly shocking. My tummy went down, my digestion improved, and I felt like my whole system got a reset. This isn't a pill, it's not a fad diet, and it's definitely not starvation. It's just a natural fat-flushing drink you can make right in your kitchen with just a few common ingredients. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make it, why it works, and how to use it to burn belly fat, cleanse toxins, and feel your absolute best in just 3 days. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share simple but powerful health tips, natural remedies, and easy recipes that help you feel great inside and out. If living healthier without complicated diets or expensive supplements sounds good to you, then hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I've got a lot more natural health hacks coming your way. Why belly fat is stubborn? Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about belly fat. Why does it stick around no matter what we do? There are 3 main reasons. Poor digestion. If your stomach isn't digesting food properly, it turns into waste buildup, bloating, and eventually belly fat. Toxins. Every day, we're exposed to chemicals in processed food, polluted air, even skincare products. These toxins overload our liver, making fat burning much harder. Inflammation. This is like internal swelling. When your body is inflamed, it holds onto fat as a protective mechanism. So, belly fat isn't just about eating less. It's about cleansing your body, reducing inflammation, and getting your digestion working again. That's exactly what this drink does. Ingredient number 1, ginger. Our first ingredient is ginger. 2 thumb-sized pieces. Ginger is a superroot. It heats up your system, increases calorie burning, and reduces hunger. More importantly, it fights inflammation and improves digestion. Ever feel bloated after a heavy meal? Ginger helps break food down faster and reduces gas. Here's how to prepare it. Wash it thoroughly. Grate it finely. This releases gingerol, the compound responsible for its fat-burning effects. When you grate ginger, you get the maximum juice and benefits. Chopping works, but grating really unlocks its medicinal powers. Ingredient number 2, citrus fruits. Next up are our citrus fruits: lemon or lime, orange, and grapefruit. Lemon or lime. These are natural cleansers. The citric acid helps your liver process toxins, while vitamin C prevents fat storage. They also alkalize your body, which helps reduce cravings. Orange. This gives a sweet balance to the drink without adding sugar. Oranges are rich in antioxidants that protect your cells and boost your skin's glow. Grapefruit. This one is optional, but very powerful. Grapefruit has enzymes that improve insulin sensitivity and boost fat metabolism. That's why many studies call it a fat-burning fruit. If you don't have grapefruit, just stick with lemon and orange. You'll still get amazing results. But when all 3 are combined, they create a powerhouse detox blend. Ingredient number 3, hot water. Finally, we need hot water. Now, this may sound too simple, but hot water is actually very powerful. It helps melt stubborn fat, keeps digestion smooth, and improves circulation. Starting your day with warm water alone can boost metabolism. But when we combine it with ginger and citrus, it becomes a cleansing, fat-burning tea. Step-by-step recipe. All right, let's make the drink. Here's the step-by-step. Grate 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. Boil 4 cups of water. Let it cool just a little so it's hot, not boiling. Add the ginger and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Squeeze the juice from 1 lemon or lime, 1 orange, 1 grapefruit, optional but recommended. Strain the ginger water into a glass jar or jug. Pour in the citrus juices and mix well. That's it. You now have your fat-burning detox drink. The flavor is refreshing, tangy, and slightly spicy from the ginger. It feels like pure energy in a glass. How to use it? Now the big question. How do you drink it for results? Drink 2 glasses per day for 3 days. The first glass, in the morning on an empty stomach. The second glass, at night before bed. Important note, do this over a weekend or when you're at home, because it really cleans you out. You'll be visiting the restroom more often, flushing out waste, toxins, and even excess water your body has been holding onto. Bonus tips for better results. Now that you know how powerful this detox drink is, let's talk about how to maximize your results. These small lifestyle tweaks will make a big difference. Drink at the right time. Best time. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This way, your body absorbs all the active compounds without interference from food. Stay consistent. Don't just try it once. Drink it daily for at least 3 to 7 days to feel the real transformation. Consistency is what resets your digestion and metabolism. Hydrate throughout the day. This recipe works hand in hand with plain water. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily to flush out loosened toxins. Pair with clean eating. While drinking this, avoid processed foods, fried snacks, and too much sugar. Focus on whole foods, veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Gentle movement helps. A 20 to 30-minute daily walk speeds up circulation and digestion, helping your body burn fat faster. You don't need a hardcore workout. Just move your body. Avoid late-night eating. Your body detoxes best while you sleep. Stop eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to give your system time to reset. Listen to your body. Everyone's metabolism is different. Start small, 1 glass a day, and increase if your body responds well. With these bonus tips, your results won't just stop at a slimmer tummy. You'll feel lighter, cleaner, more energetic, and your skin and mood will thank you too. Benefits beyond belly fat. When people think of detox or fat-burning drinks, the first thing they usually imagine is a smaller waistline. And yes, this recipe is absolutely fantastic for targeting stubborn belly fat. But here's the real beauty. The benefits go far beyond just shrinking your tummy. Better digestion. Ginger and citrus stimulate digestive enzymes, which means your food breaks down faster and more efficiently. This reduces constipation, bloating, and that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals. Detoxification support. Lemon and grapefruit juice provides citric acid, which supports liver detox. A clean liver equals better metabolism, faster fat breakdown, and improved overall energy. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent driver of many issues, from joint pain to brain fog. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory compounds, gingerols and showgales, calm the body, reduce swelling, and even ease arthritis pain. Boosted immunity. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds, flu, and seasonal infections. Drinking this consistently makes your immune system more resilient. Glowing skin and anti-aging. Vitamin C plus antioxidants repair skin damage, promote collagen, and keep skin looking youthful. Hydration plus detox equals natural glow from the inside out. Increased energy and mental clarity. When digestion is smooth and toxins are flushed out, your energy spikes naturally. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and less weighed down throughout the day. So yes, this isn't just a belly fat hack. It's a whole body upgrade. So there you have it, my 3-day belly fat flush drink. It's simple, natural, and effective. I've tried it myself, and the results were so good, I just had to share them with you. Now it's your turn to try this recipe for 3 days and let me know how you feel in the comments. Did your belly shrink? Did you feel lighter? I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share this with a friend or family member who's trying to lose belly fat naturally. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.